What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we're going to be installing the Ergon GA3 grips. First we're going to start by removing the original grips that are on the bike. This can be tough sometimes, but keep working at it and they'll eventually come off. So we just finished up getting that first grip off, we have one more to go. Before installing, make sure you have the right grip for the right side, and as you're installing, keep in mind the lettering up. We're going to keep that horizontal with the bars to have the correct positioning for the grip. I can show a better example of that here. And to finish up, all you have to do is tighten, and that's it. And there you go. And we're going to do the same thing, just on the other side. Install the grip. Make sure the up is facing horizontal to the handlebars. And then lastly, tighten. And there you go. There's the complete installation of the Ergon GA3 grips.